Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making Parmesan Spinach Orzo. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2½ cups of chicken broth, 2 cups of fresh spinach chopped roughly, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 1½ cups of uncooked orzo pasta, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1/4 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley flakes, and also 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. In a medium skillet over medium-high heat, we're going to add in our chicken broth. To that, we're also going to add in our orzo, our black pepper, and also our minced garlic. Now we're just going to go ahead and mix that all together until it's well combined, and you want to bring it to a boil. Okay guys, once it starts to boil, you can go ahead and mix it. We're going to lower our heat to medium-low. We're going to let it continue to cook for 8 to 12 minutes. Remember to stir occasionally. Okay guys, as you're going along, after 12 minutes, if you still want your pasta to cook a little longer, all you have to do is just add in a little bit more water until you get it to your desired preference. Okay guys, now I'm going to add in my heavy cream, my shredded Parmesan cheese, and also my spinach and my parsley flakes. I'm just going to mix it until it's well combined and let it cook until the spinach has wilted. Okay guys, I turned my heat up just a little bit, and I'm just going to let it cook for about another 2 minutes. Okay guys, you can now turn off your heat. Okay guys, so here we have it, our Parmesan Spinach Orzo. This can be served as a side dish or a main dish. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. This is so delicious. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following.